Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. October 11, 1904 America New York. China September inflation data is due later this week, PPI expected to rocket higher. Preview. Via Chinese state media, Shanghai Securities News says in a piece that the producer price index may rise by circa 10%. This is actually below the consensus forecast, see below.
Daily FX Market News. October 11, 1900 America New York. AUD, USD rises despite Wall Street sell-off as Chinese flooding lifts coal prices. The Australian dollar charged higher overnight as flooding across China forced mines to close on safety concerns. That sent coal prices in Asia surging higher alongside AUD, USD.
BBC News Business. October 11, 1900 America New York. Budget. Little room for more spending, says IFS. Despite recent tax rises, there is limited scope to spend more on public services, says the IFS. BBC News Business. October 11, 1900 America New York. PM expected to back loans for gas price hit firms. Boris Johnson is set to approve plans for emergency loans to energy-intensive firms, the BBC understands.
Forex Live. October 11, 1850 America New York. North Korean leader Kim Jong Un says no reason to believe the U.S. is not hostile. Says will continue to strengthen NK military power. Pic of Kim at Defense 2021 meeting. The missile in the background is the HWASONG-16, a new missile developed by NK.
New York Times Business. October 11, 1841 America New York. Netflix employee who criticized Dave Chapelle is among 3 suspended. Netflix said in a statement that the transgender employee, Tara Field, was not suspended because of the tweets critical of Mr. Chapelle's show, Mr. Chapelle in 2017.
Forex Live. October 11, 1837 America New York. Australian Weekly Survey of Consumer Sentiment 105.6, previous week 104.6. ANZ Roy Morgan Australian Consumer Confidence ANZ comments. And note the divergences across state capitals. Tassie doesn't get a mention in the headline's sad face. Forex Live. October 11, 1825 America New York. ICYMI. Overnight comments from ECB officials, all singing the transitory inflation tune. A bit of a chorus on transitory from European Central Bank officials Lane, Stornaras, and Not saying rising energy prices are merely transitory. I guess in a long enough time frame everything is. Forex Live. October 11, 1824 America New York, New Zealand. Retail card spending for September plus 0.9% meter per meter. Card spending data covers around 68% of core retail sales in NZ. It's used as the main retail sales indicator for the country. Plus 0.9% meter per meter minus 14.9% Y. Lockdown impacts.
Global Economy. October 11, 1809 America New York. First FT. China's coal futures hit record high. Floods worsen China energy crisis. KKR co-founders step down. Kim calls for better living standards in North Korea.
Forex Live. October 11, 1747 America New York. China's stern representations with Australia over inappropriate comments about Taiwan. Comments from an ex-Australian PM Tony Abbott on Taiwan have prompted the Chinese Foreign Ministry to lodge stern representations with Australia. Abbott visited Taiwan last week. It was a private visit, not government-sponsored, met with Taiwanese President Tsai Ing-wen.
Daily FX Market News. October 11, 1730 America New York. How to become a stock trader and investor. Rose Rapson's story. Stock traders are often parodied as Wall Street whirling dervishes, moving from monitor to monitor, spewing expletives, buying and selling many times a day. Rose Rapson defies that stereotype.
Naked Capitalism. October 11, 1725 America New York. Sleep in the COVID-19 pandemic. An unsystematic survey of the effect of SARS-CoV-2, the virus, on sleeping individuals, and the effect of COVID-19, the disease, on populations.
Forex Live. October 11, 1725 America New York. Monday was a U.S. partial market holiday. Sure didn't feel like it. The physical U.S. bind market was closed for the federal holiday while stock markets remained open. Forex trades its own world, and while liquidity was reduced with the partial US holiday and Canada on holiday, also FX moves were not small.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 11, 1722 America New York. Vanguard rolls back plan to cut retiree benefits. Company reverses course after telling employees and retirees it was ending a long-time retirement benefit program.
Forex Live. October 11, 1717 America New York. New Zealand data. ANZ Truckometer, GDP indicator. Surged in September, still below normal though. The ANZ Truckometer is a set of two economic indicators derived using traffic volume data from around New Zealand. ANZ used traffic flows in this indicator as a proxy for economic growth. Forex Live. October 11, 1659 America New York. Forex Live America's FX News Wrap. USD/JPY runs to 7-year high. Forex news for North American trading on October 11, 2021. The US and Canada both had holidays today. The US in observance of Columbus Day and Canada for Thanksgiving. Forex Live. October 11, 1649 America New York. Trade Ideas Thread. Tuesday the 12th of October 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so.
New York Times Business. October 11, 1639 America New York. Loans will be the key to banks' future fortunes. The big banks are expected to benefit from increased consumer spending when they report earnings this week. Where they go from here will depend greatly on lending to households and businesses.
Forex Live. October 11, 1623 America New York. Qatar says they can't solve the LNG shortage, we are maxed out. Energy shortage news. This from Doha, Qatar, world's largest seller of liquefied natural gas, LNG. Comment from Qatar Energy Minister Saad Al-Kaabi, who adds, I am unhappy about gas prices being high.
Marginal Revolution. October 11, 1617 America New York. Monday assorted links. 1. The polity that is California. 2. Roll over Chuck Berry, songs dethroned by Rolling Stone. 3. 50 years of Walt Disney World evolution, as shown in maps.